Good morning, class. Is everybody awake?
Yeah.
Good morning. I've been thinking of a question. It's been on my mind all night. If I were to separate you into groups of two, how many students would I have?
8.
Let's try it. 3. Stand up. You're in 2 groups of 2. Somebody count for me.
4.
4. Correct. Please have a seat. What I've just shown you is called multiplication. Multiplication means that you increase the number of something. It can be objects, it can be students. You increase the number to double its size, basically. It's quicker than addition. Okay? With any math operation, there's always rules. Rule number 1, any number times 0 is always 0. If I said 1,000,000 times 0, what's the answer?
0.
0. Any number times 1 is always the other number. 8 times 1. 8. 100 times 1. Order does not matter when it comes to multiplication. 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 will give us the same number. 6. I take it you've done multiplication before. Yeah. Pretty good. You thought it was 5? Well, let's put that in practice. 2 times 3 or 3 times 2. I have 2 groups with 3 numbers in each. Count them. I have 3 groups with 2 numbers in each. Count those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
See why order doesn't matter?
Yeah.
Multiplication. There are always symbols to identify if you're going to add something, subtract anything. This is the X symbol. We call it times. And you see that word times.
Yes.
X symbolized times. This is an asterisk star.
That's cool.
Asterisk. A-S-T-R-I-S-K. That means that you're going to multiply something. You might see the words double. You might see triple. Those are all indications that you need to multiply. Okay? Are we ready to play a little game?
Yes.
All right.
I love games.
Response cards. Each of you have response cards. Green is yes. Yellow is no. All right? I'm going to show you some pictures. Does that indicate that you have to multiply? Correct. 7 times 0 is 7. Correct, you are. Minus sign. Remember the symbols that we need to look for.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
No problem. What about the plus sign? Does that mean you multiply? Oh, very good, class. What about this word? Times. Good job. 10 times 1 is 10. True or false? Yes or no? Very good. What about this? Asterisk. Good job. Now, what I want you to do is to divide in groups of 2. Maybe 2 people right here and 2 in the back. We're going to put this to practice, this multiplying, okay? Not everybody moves at once.
Oh, we look cool.
You can have a seat. Just bring your desks closer together. I'm going to give you some buttons. For this lesson, Shelley will have a multiplication worksheet, which will show her the boxes and how to do multiplication using the buttons. This is her modified worksheet. When I walk around, I want everybody to show me 2 times 2. You have 2 objects
Yep, shoot boy.
and 2 groups of objects. Everybody got it? Essie, what about you?
What? You want me to do it too?
Exactly. What's the answer, everybody?
4.
Good job. Show me 3 times 3.
Right. I swear that was mine. Just 6.
Boys, 3 times 3. What's the answer?
9.
One more. Let's do 2 times 4. Or 4 times 2. Need more buttons?
Yeah, take mine. 2 times 1.
No.
2 times 4 or 4 times 2.
2 times 4. Oh, I get it. Okay. It gotta be 2 groups of each, right?
No.
What's the answer?
12.
2 times 4 or 4 times 2?
8.
8. You need help? Let's try it. Oh,
That's different for what?
we have 2 groups of 4.
Be baffled.
Correct. Okay, everybody return to your seats and let's wrap this thing up.
He said 12.
Does everybody feel comfortable with multiplying?
Very much.
Do you understand it?
Yes.
Shelley, give me a rule for multiplication.
Any number times 0. Anything.
Correct. Thomas, give me a symbol that represents multiplication.
X.
Correct. Essie, give me a problem that requires multiplication in the answer.
2 times 4.
2 times 4 or
4 times 6.
what's the answer? Correct. Donovan, give me a word that I know I need to multiply. Times. Times double. Triple is a word, but right now we're focusing on double and times, okay? So tonight for homework, I want you to do one thing. I want you to come up with your own multiplication problems. I want you to use the words double, times. I want you to use the X or asterisk marks. Okay, it can be any 5 problems. That will be your mid slip to class tomorrow. All right? All right, thank you all.
Thank you very much.